Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to set alerts for a new network connection in GlassWire in just a few minutes. GlassWire is a network monitoring and security software designed for the Windows and Android. It helps you see exactly how your computer or device is using the internet in real time. With GlassWire you can track data usage, monitor apps and detect unusual network. First, what you can do is open to your GlassWire on your Windows or the PC, and once the dashboard loads, look at the top menu and click on the alert tabs. Over here on the top left, go to this GlassWire here and select the settings over here, and from the setting interface you can go to the security as well, and over here you can find this alert level. You can select to this alert notify about the network detect activity as well, device activity, and select OK, and make sure the option like notify and these are enabled. GlassWire will automatically alert you even if there is not any visible alerts tab. And this is it. Once everything is enabled, GlassWire runs in the background and instantly alerts you whenever a new network connection or device is detected. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.